Gudaimasu, welcome to my first episode. I'm Ricky. I was born in South Korea, so my English is not that good, but I will try to speak English for you guys. Today, I'm going to introduce a hidden beautiful beach located in Tasmania, Australia. This is Connellys Bay. It's only 40 minutes away from Hobart City. As you can see, there's no people even it's a Saturday afternoon. This beach is absolutely beautiful. Today's weather is very changeable though. It's cloudy, windy, and sunny time to time, but it's good weather now, for sure. Sky is beautiful, water is blue, air is fresh. It's absolutely perfect to stay for today. First of all, I'm gonna go kayak and then eat barbecue and swim into the water to find out what it is under the water. I'm so excited to do that. There's only one way to find out. Let's go! Wow, suddenly weather is changing. I can't see the sun. Oh, it's cloudy and storm wind push me away from the beach. I gotta go back to the beach, otherwise I will be in the summer in the ocean. this fucking shit. If you came here, make sure you clean shit up. Fucking it's so easy to do. I'm gonna keep this in my pocket and chuck it into the bin later. Hey guys, this place is nice and clean. We must keep cleaning here for our next generation. What a beautiful nature! This is my first episode in an absolutely gorgeous beach in Tasmania, Australia. I went kayak, I have a nice barbecue, I had a really good time here with my girl. We found a number of stingrays under the water. I love this place. I promise I will show you guys better things in next episode. So I'm excited today. Happy day! Yeah! Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching me. I hope you like it. give me a thumbs up. Do you want to see more? Make sure to subscribe. See you guys. Bam!